Is berberine really nature's Ozempic? This question has been circulating online, catching the attention of health enthusiasts. But wait, have you ever heard of berberine before? Well, let me give you an idea if you haven't. Berberine gained popularity for its natural blood sugar lowering effects, and some people even called it nature's Ozempic.
But what is Ozempic? You probably don't know this too, especially if you don't have diabetes. That's why in this video, we'll explain to you what is berberine, its benefits, and if it's really nature's Ozempic. So, if I were you, keep watching.
Berberine is a natural bioactive compound that can be taken from plants like barberry, golden seal, tree turmeric, and a group of shrubs called berberis. It is a yellow-colored compound with a somewhat bitter taste. It holds many potential health benefits and has been a part of traditional medicine for centuries.
Now let us break down the benefits of berberine for you. 1. Regulates blood sugar levels. Berberine has been shown to make the body more sensitive to insulin, which is a hormone that controls how much sugar is in the blood. By improving insulin sensitivity, berberine helps cells absorb glucose more effectively, which can lead to better control of blood sugar levels. This mechanism is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes as it can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels.
2. Reduce bad cholesterol. Berberine has been shown to impact lipid metabolism, including the regulation of cholesterol levels. It can help stop the liver from making and absorbing cholesterol. This lowers LDL cholesterol, which is often called bad cholesterol. Heart diseases like heart attacks and strokes are less likely to happen if your LDL cholesterol levels are low, which makes it good for your heart health.
3. Aids in weight management. Berberine may influence several factors related to weight management. It has been observed to activate an enzyme called AMPK, which plays a key role in regulating metabolism. Activating AMPK can make the body burn more fat and store less fat, which could help people lose weight. Also, berberine's effect on regulating blood sugar can indirectly help with weight loss by keeping energy levels from going up and down quickly, which could lead to overeating.
4. Help resolve digestive issues. Berberine's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties can have a positive impact on digestive health. For conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, where inflammation and imbalances in gut bacteria play a role, berberine's effects may help alleviate symptoms. It can help regulate gut motility, reduce inflammation, and rebalance the gut microbiome, potentially leading to improvements in digestive comfort for individuals with IBS.
But the big question is berberine really nature's Ozempic? The answer is no. It's not nature's Ozempic. Alright, let's explain it to you. Berberine and Ozempic are not the same, but they both work to help balance blood sugar.
Berberine is a natural compound found in certain plants. It has been studied for its potential to support blood sugar regulation by improving insulin sensitivity and other mechanisms. It's often used as a dietary supplement and is considered a more natural approach to supporting blood sugar health. Berberine works by increasing the activity of an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK. AMPK helps control blood sugar levels by lowering the amount of sugar the liver makes and by making the body less resistant to insulin.
Ozempic, on the other hand, is a prescription medication intended for individuals with type 2 diabetes to manage blood sugar levels concurrently with diet and exercise changes. It may also help lower the risk of heart attack and stroke for those who have both heart disease and diabetes. Ozempic is also called semaglutide and belongs to a class of drugs called glucagon-like peptide-1 receptor agonists. This means that it helps the body produce more insulin from the pancreas, stops the release of glucagon, and stops the liver from making glucose. It works by acting like a hormone called GLP-1, which helps with digestion and appetite regulation. The main mechanism of the drug is to slow down the emptying of the stomach, which suppresses appetite. When you take Ozempic, your body makes more GLP-1, which can make you feel less hungry and eat less.
To make it easy to understand, let us give you a very clear example. Imagine your body is a car and blood sugar is the fuel that powers it. Just like a car needs the right amount of fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right amount of blood sugar to function properly. Berberine works like a fuel efficiency booster, helping your car use less fuel while still running smoothly. It does this by increasing the activity of an enzyme that helps regulate blood sugar levels.
On the other hand, Ozempic works like a control system, helping your car maintain a steady speed without using too much fuel. It does this by increasing insulin secretion and suppressing appetite.
To sum it up, berberine works by increasing the activity of an enzyme, while Ozempic works by increasing insulin secretion and suppressing appetite. Both ways help keep your blood sugar in a good place. But remember, while both have roles in supporting blood sugar control, they are different in terms of their sources, mechanisms, and how they are used. Berberine is a natural compound, while Ozempic is a medication developed for medical use. Even though berberine has some potential benefits, it's not a direct alternative to Ozempic. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or medication.
And there you have it, the benefits of berberine and the answer if it's really nature's Ozempic. From blood sugar balancing to heart health and even to weight management, berberine could indeed be your wellness sidekick. But always remember that it's not a substitute for professional medical advice.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a health-packed update. Until next time, stay healthy.